Many people on here have been complaining that they have low views, they have low views, they have low views. Yes, low view is something that we have to talk about in this video. There are different types and causes of low views. There are many things that can make you have low views on your video. That even you yourself, you just think that you are shadow banned. Everybody is always shouting, YouTube shadow ban me. Okay, I'm not getting views. You only think that the fault is from YouTube. I don't have views, I don't have views. I posted a video and the video is really good. I only got 20 views, I only got 50 views. YouTube is not pushing my video. Sit down, calm down first. Let me explain to you causes of YouTube not recommending your video. The first thing I'm going to be telling you that there's beginner phase. I reviewed someone's channel. She messaged me. I was like, oh, I'm not getting views. Whenever I post a video, I'm just tired of YouTube. I'll just post a video and nobody will watch it. I'm just tired. I'm just tired. Went to her channel to check what was going on. When I got to her channel, I discovered that she had only 5 or 6 videos on her channel. 5 or 6 videos, and you are looking for views. So I was like, this person that is saying she does not have you, and she only have 5 video, long videos. Oh. I checked her shots. She have many shots. As in, I can't even count the amount of shots that she has on her channel. I was okay. So when I analyzed her channel, I noticed that it's beginner phase that is happening to her. It's not YouTube Sports. Okay, you're just starting. It's your second month on YouTube, second month or just 2 months on YouTube, and you're shouting that you don't have views. You've not given the algorithm time to figure out the right audience for you. YouTube is still testing. YouTube does not know the people that is going to show your videos to yet. So give it time. You're just starting now. You've not spent 2 years on this phase. You've not spent 1 year. You've not spent 6 months. I know you're thinking that, oh, but someone started after me and she's already having views. That person that started after you, the person might already have experience more than you. Do you know? That might be the person's second channel or the third channel. And it might even be luck. It might even be luck. So you know that you don't have the luxury of depending on luck, you have to put in the work. Luck and work, you see the difference? You have to put in the work. You know that, oh, I don't want to depend on luck here. Some people, they will only drop one video on their channel and that video will get millions of views. That's luck. Or probably they are coming from another platform. They are moving their audience from another platform. They are refining them to watch their video on their YouTube. So their traffic source is different from yours. So it's beginner phase for most people. You see them posting videos, first video, no views, and they are giving up. Giving up where? You cannot give up. Like the kind of views, low views that me I'm having on my channel now. It's normal low view. That's the second type of low views. Normal low views. You yourself know that you must have low views. You will have low views unless maybe you are lucky, unless maybe you are consistent, unless maybe you work hard not to have low views. If you check my channel, you see that I'm not really having views. And what cost my own is normal because I just started on this YouTube space. I just started back again. I abandoned this channel. I've abandoned it for more than 2 years. I created this channel 2022. After creating it, I posted like 20 or 30 videos. I thought I was not really getting the views that I wanted. I abandoned the channel. When I came back to the channel, I just came back to this channel last month. When I came back to this channel last month, I saw that I have only 151 or 161 watch hour, 161 watch hour only. So I thought that should I build another channel? No, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to revive this channel. So reviving takes time. This kind of low view is normal. And I even changed my niche. Changing of niche, YouTube does not know that I've changed my niche already. YouTube is just getting to know that I've changed my niche. YouTube is waiting to see the more content I'm going to be pushing out. So one day you might wake up and check my channel and see that I have thousands of views now. So that's a kind of low view. You just know within yourself that, this low view that I'm having, I don't want to complain because it's normal. Someone change niche rather. You want to start getting views, you will not get views unless you are lucky. So you have to wait for YouTube algorithm to understand you, to understand your channel, to understand everything. And reviving a channel that you've abandoned for long takes time. You built your channel from shorts. Okay, you've been consistent too, but you are only consistent on shorts. You built your channel on shorts. People that have came for your shorts are not watching your long video and you are complaining of low view. You yourself that you know that it's only shorts that you've been focused on. All your viewers are coming from shorts and you expect your long videos to have high view. You see that that's another kind of low view. You know that, oh, within myself, I know the reason I'm having low views. It's not every time that you'll be blaming YouTube that, oh, I'm shadow ban, I'm shadow ban, shadow ban. Everybody, almost everybody is shouting shadow ban, shadow ban, shadow ban, shadow ban. Sit down and think that, oh, it's normal for me to have low views. Don't let me lie to myself. YouTube is not shadow banning me. So I'm going to tell you how you can fix it. Another causes of it is shadow ban true true. Shadow ban is you going against, maybe you go against YouTube policy. Maybe you got copyrighted on your channel. Maybe you shall did something to YouTube and YouTube decided to put you in one space. YouTube will not delete your channel, it will not remove your channel, but YouTube decided to put you in one category, that category of people that they will not push their video really out. Or maybe your content, your subscribers are not watching your videos. When you post a video now, out of maybe you have 500 subscribers, and out of your 500 subscribers, only five manage to click on your video. That's why I told you thumbnail is a very important part of your video. It's the most important part of your video, followed by the first 10 seconds of your video. So if you're making a thumbnail, you should put into consideration that nobody reads the title before watching the video. We only check on the thumbnail. Let's say anything that you write on that thumbnail, that's what me I used to read before I now go to the title and check the title. So most times I don't check the title, I only check the thumbnail to see if that is the kind of video that I'm looking for. So I know YouTube, before you watch any next video on your YouTube, if YouTube bring any video to you, check, are you first thinking of the thumbnail, or did you first go and check the title? Is it the title that made you click on that video, or the thumbnail? So you have to really work on your thumbnail. Thumbnail is the first thing that will bring people into your video. If you don't have a good thumbnail, if you are not writing the title on your thumbnail, people will not know what to expect on your video. Nobody will want to watch that video, because before they even see the title, they are seeing the thumbnail. Somebody have already entered your video before they will see the title. So the thumbnail is for your audience. The thumbnail is for the people that will view you. The title is for the algorithm to know that this is the meaning of this content. This is the content. This is the title of the content. This is what this content is all about. You are using that one for algorithm. The algorithm own that title, but your thumbnail, that's for us people that will watch your video. So you should know. And when people are not watching your video, where will algorithm push you to? Algorithm will not push you anywhere. So the first 10 seconds of your video, don't make it about introduction. Make it about what you want people to see about the video. That's why you see some folktale channel that are doing well. Before they tell you the title, before they do anything, they first put 10 most important, not the summary, not everything at once, not everything the video is all about at once. They first put something that will spice, that will trigger your curiosity at the beginning of your video, of their video, before they now start their video. So the first 10 seconds of your video matters. If people are just clicking and going off immediately they enter your video, you are telling YouTube that YouTube will shadow ban this channel, because everybody clicking on this channel, on this video, is just going off. So this channel is not really a good channel like that. Just put this channel among the people that you won't be showing their content to more people. Now that you know the different types of low views, or the causes of your low views, and you know how to fix it, what are you going to be doing better in your video? Tell me in the comment section. What are you going to be doing better in your video? Or will you still be complaining that you are shadow banned? I don't want to get shadow banned from your mouth again. Thank you for always watching my video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.